In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix can't install MOJ app on Play Store. So if you're not being able to install this application on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you connect it to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, try installing the application and it should be installed. If the application is still not being installed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Play Store. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Play Store and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now what you have to do is tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option clear cache. Now after the cache is cleared, your problem should be solved. Also try checking the storage on your device. If you do not have the enough free storage space for installing the most application, make sure to uninstall other app. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the Play Store. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is scroll down and tap on this option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. Tap on this option about. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for Play Store version. Tap on this option update Play Store that you can see on the screen. Now once it has been updated, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try downloading it directly from the browser. For that, launch open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in MOJ app download and search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Scroll down. Find the link provided by the Google Play Store and tap on it. Tap on the option install and it should be installed. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix can't install MOJ app on Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.